This used to be the home that everyone walked through and said, wow, and now it's finally for sale in Allen, Texas. This former model home, as you'd expect, is upgraded to the max. Let's go and take a look. This is my favorite feature of the home. Check out this kitchen with the huge island. It's got a beautiful farm sink, but I also love the little touches like the design that the lights leave on the island. Not only that, but you have a top of the line 6-burner grill. And just another feature as well is the amount of storage with the uppers and the design lights in there as well. Flowing from the kitchen, you come into this absolutely beautiful living room with a floor to ceiling painted brick fireplace. Not only that, but you have upgrades like built-in shelving, under cabinet lighting, and high upgrades, no pun intended, like the wood beams on the vaulted ceilings. I really like the back patio. It's very quiet and peaceful out here. You have this huge extended covered patio, and you do have a gas stove there as well. So if you like to grill outdoors, you can set up your cooking equipment right there. But a real unique feature is it actually extends further down towards the fire pit area. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below or reach out directly. But for me, it's time to rest and relax by the fire pit. I appreciate you taking the tour. Oh, and remember that Brits sell best.